Hi everyone, in this video we'll take a look at 5 ways you can use ChatGPT as a developer. So let's dive right in. To start off with, you can ask ChatGPT to just write a simple program in the language of your choice. So in this case, what I've done is I've just asked ChatGPT to write a simple JavaScript console program to print a Christmas tree pattern using the star or asterisk character. And that's what it does. And now, of course, you can just copy this code and then run it in your console. You can also use ChatGPT to write a slightly more complex algorithm as long as you specify exactly what the algorithm should do. So in this case, you're sorting words alphabetically and then by the number of characters in that word. So it still understands what your problem statement is and what language of choice you want, and then it solves the problem for you and spits out a code snippet for you to copy. Now for the second use case, you can ask ChatGPT to actually build you a relational database model. Now to do so, all you have to do is type in your prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you the tabular structure, the relational database structure as the output. And of course, you've asked ChatGPT to also give us the data types and the constraints. So as you can see, for the problem statement, which is the online store, ChatGPT has given us some tables, suggested some tables along with the data types and the constraints. So of course, you can use it as a starting point and then you can map it out into your database product of choice. All right, so for the third use case, you can ask ChatGPT to find bugs in your code and give you the right answer to the code snippet that you provide. So all you have to do is just type in the code snippet that you know is buggy or think is buggy, and ask ChatGPT to find the bug and fix it for you. As you can see, ChatGPT has looked at your code and has provided the correct code snippet back to you, and it has also explained what the bugs were, which is the assignment operator, which was a single one over here, and also there was a case mismatch in the second if statement, which ChatGPT has corrected for us. All right, so for the fourth use case, you can ask ChatGPT to pretty much elaborate on any documentation or any concept from the language of your choice. So in this case, what you can do is you can give it a prompt such like this. So elaborative documentation on the new C# switch expressions. And once you do that, ChatGPT has gone ahead and printed out all the answers for you. So it has gone through the previous switch case statements, which it says it's verbose, and then you go to the newer versions, which it was introduced in C# 8, which is the switch expressions, and it has given you some explanation for that as well, and some benefits for that as well, followed or ending with a conclusion of that topic. So it's a nice, good read, and it's great if you want to learn something about a language in a very natural language way. And finally, for the fifth use case, you can ask ChatGPT some more bigger, wider problems on how you might want to solve it, and it will give you step-by-step instructions on how to actually implement it in your code. So for example, if I want to figure out how to integrate identity and pass an OAuth token in a C# API application, I can just ask that in the prompt, and ChatGPT will go ahead and give me all the steps of what needs to be done and some code snippets as well. So this is a great starting point, and I can go ahead and try this. And then, of course, if I don't know any of the steps, I can always ask ChatGPT again, or I can even regenerate the response and see what response I'm getting in for the second time. So anyway, you can of course compare all the answers and then try and implement what ChatGPT gives you. So that was 5 ways you can use ChatGPT as a developer or an engineer. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video, and if you have used ChatGPT for one of these use cases or a new use case that you might have already used it for. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your network, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.